Satok is a state constituency in Sarawak, Malaysia, that has been represented in the Sarawak State Legislative Assembly since 1979. The state constituency was created in the 1977 redistribution and is mandated to return a single member to the Sarawak State Legislative Assembly under the first-past-the-post voting system. History 2006-2016, the constituency contains the polling districts of Patingan, Satok, Masjid, Madrasah, Reservoir, known as Patinggi Ali. 2016-present, the constituency contains the polling districts of Sejadup, Patingan, Satok, Masjid, Madrasah, Reservoir, known as Patinggi Ali. Representation history. Election results. References. Keputusan Pilihan Raya Suruhanjaya Pilihan Raya. Election Commission of Malaysia. Archived from the original on 2016-04-24. Retrieved 2016-04-27.